For anchoring fixtures to concrete structures, the correct installation techniques are critical in creating a high-strength bond or proper fixing that achieves the designed loads. Whether you're using mechanical or chemical anchors, incorrect concrete hole preparation and installation is a significant factor in anchor failure. There are some commonly observed mispractices and misconceptions on the correct process, which often leads to the product being thought to be faulty or inferior. Such mispractices and misconceptions include improper hole cleaning techniques, improper installation techniques, and the incorrect usage of chemical anchor types in the non-approved applications. Continuing with these common mispractices means failures can and will occur, which could have catastrophic consequences: death, serious injury, or financial loss. To avoid this, following the correct techniques is essential for achieving the full load requirements of an anchor design. For mechanical anchors, hole size is of most importance. For chemical anchors, hole cleanliness is of the utmost importance. Using a rotary hammer drill coupled with an Allfasteners Enduro carbide tipped drill bit allows fast drilling through concrete material and embedded rebar. The Enduro drill bits have deep flutes for superior concrete dust removal from the hole, limiting the amount of times needed to extract the bit to remove excess dust. If you encounter rebar with an Allfasteners Enduro bit, ensure you reduce any pressure on the hammer drill, letting the drill work slowly through the rebar without added pressure. This is critical to increasing the drill bit's working life due to the design of the solid carbide head. In all instances, allow the drill to do the work. Once the hole is sufficiently deep as per the anchor specifications, follow the product's installation instructions to achieve the recommended loads. Always ensure you discard the specified quantity of the initial extruded chemical anchor that may not be mixed properly. Ensure you use a new nozzle with every new cartridge. Lastly, after installation, be sure to allow the specified cure time to elapse according to the conditions and temperature before loading the anchor. The following tests will demonstrate that improper hole cleaning reduces an anchor's embedment strength. Using Allfasteners PF18 chemical anchor with an M10 stud anchor embedded at 90 mm in 32 MPa concrete will achieve a recommended load of 9 kN. Anchor A was installed without cleaning the hole. While the chemical anchor cured, the stud seemed solidly anchored in the concrete. However, during a pull test, the anchor failed at a load of only 3 kN, less than a third of the recommended load. Anchor B was installed with only blowing out the hole, but without the required brushing. When pull tested, the anchor failed at around 9.5 kN. While the recommended load was achieved, failure occurred immediately afterwards at less than half of the non-reduced characteristic resistance load. Anchor C was installed with a properly cleaned and brushed hole as per the installation instructions. When pull tested, the anchor achieved the load rating of 9 kN and only failed after an exceptional load of 21 kN was applied during the test, achieving more than double the recommended load. Anchor C fully demonstrates the necessity for following the installation methods to achieve an anchor's designed structural loads. The combined blowing and brushing technique in this specified application removes the dust to allow the PF18 chemical anchor to bond to the whole wall. This results in a robust anchorage between anchor and concrete. Not only will these anchors perform as designed when following the correct installation methods, correct installation is critical to ensure you comply with relevant codes and standards. All fasteners have trained and certified staff by the Australian Engineered Fasteners and Anchors Council for correct concrete hole preparation, anchor installation, and anchor testing. We offer on-site training for you and your staff on our products and these proper installation methods shown in the demonstration. If you would like to receive training on these topics, inquire through allfasteners.com.au or call us on 1800 255 349. Allfasteners, for all things fixings.